If you're looking for the right recipe to recreate the original ngoyong of Cebu flavor, this is the recipe for you. And this is how I made it. I am making a very special recipe from my childhood. Ito siya, kinakain namin sa restaurant or sa sidewalk, pero hindi namin ginagawa sa bahay to. So this is not like a lutong bahay. This is actually like a popular street food. So it's like a lumpia, Cebuano style lumpia with a light batter. Yan. So ito, this is ubod. What is ubod? Ubod is the heart of the coconut palm, no? So between the coconut leaves, the palm, there is a core. Ito yung core ng ating ubod. This is one of my favorites. No? Every time I go to Cebu, ito yung hinahanap ko. Mincing our onions and garlic, which I will saute. Yan. So, I will heat up my pan. And I'm also using a bunch of scallions, no? Or green onions. So, ito siya. I will cut it around half an inch long. And this will give our ngoyong also additional aroma, no? Fragrance, all of that. Simulan natin. So, I'm trying out this recipe because I don't make ngoyong at home, no? Pero I love it. Usually kasi, in-order lang namin to. Masarap to siya sa seafood. Ang ngoyong kasi masarap na street food. So, when you're in Cebu, you don't usually cook this. Yung ginagawa mo ay bumibili ka lang. So, saute lang natin tong aking onions and aking garlic. Bring out the aroma. And meron ako ditong konting ground pork lang with some fat. Very important yung fat. It will give it a very nice aroma as well. So, gisa-gisa tayo. Now, I'm adding my ground pork. And I will also add my green onions. Saute all of that. Pero mamaya, papatulong ako kay Ronil kasi medyo marami itong babalutin nating ngoyong. And we are adding our 5 spice powder. Give it a special aroma. So you can use soy sauce or liquid seasoning. Today, I'm using liquid seasoning or Maggi Sabor. Oh, bumabango na siya. And you really have to work to do this quickly because tignan mo, madali siyang mag-oxidize. Let's add what we have done here. Yan, dagdagan lang natin. So you can soak this in a little bit of water with vinegar, no, para hindi siya mangitim. And let us season our ubod with a bit of soy sauce, sugar, black pepper, and for our umami, very important, Maggi Magic Sarap. So let's just add the whole pack of our Maggi to our ngoyong filling. Feeling ko ma-achieve ko na ngayon yung aking desired ngoyong output. And to finish, we will season just with a little salt to achieve the right flavor. And this is our ngoyong filling. And our ngoyong filling is done. And for our ngoyong, what is very classic for the ngoyong is yung kanyang light batter. So it's a lumpia with a light batter. So I am combining here flour, 1 1/2 cups of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, baking powder, half a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're using white sugar. Combine all of that. A touch of 5 spice powder. And a little bit of Maggi Magic Sarap. So we're using around a teaspoon of this just to give a little bit of umami to our batter. So ito, masarap talaga itong ating ngoyong dahil ito talaga yung pang salo-salo. So this is a very parang popular dish pag magkasama yung barkada, you're eating out, pag midnight snack. And we're adding water. So just combine all of that together into a very light batter. Yan. And now we'll start. Ito, tatabi na natin ating batter. Now it's time to wrap our ngoyong. Little by little, we will wrap our ngoyong and we will create an assembly line later. Yan. So, konting ngoyong, manipis lang to. And I will ask the help of Ronil to do this. So our batter is ready and we have wrapped a bit of our lumpia and I have here just flour to dredge. So ganito lang yung sistema natin. So we have to dredge our lumpia. Excited na ako kasi masarap to. So ganyan na, very light lang yung ating batter. And this one, you don't fully cook our ngoyong. Ganyan lang siya, no? Just to let the batter set a bit. Yan. We will let this cool for a little bit and strain out natin yung mga crumbs, no? So, for this second frying, we will fry it at a higher temperature. So, we are going to do two things next. One is fry our ngoyong and we are making a very special spice sauce na bagay talaga sa ating ngoyong. So, it's a slightly sour, spicy dipping sauce. Pero ang thickener ginamit sa Cebu ay patatas at carrots. So, look at that. So, I'm boiling here a potato and half a carrot, which I will just add a little bit of salt to. So, papalambutin muna natin yan habang magpiprito tayo ng ating ngoyong. And I'm ready to fry, second frying ng ating ngoyong. And we will fry this until golden and very crisp. Then ito, to my potatoes and to my carrots, I will add onions, diced onions, garlic, green chilies, siling na buyo. Ilan ba? Spicy yan, so damihan natin. So yung mga 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you're liking this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Wait, naluluto na yung aking ngoyong. Beautiful color. Crispy yan. At napakabango. So we will keep frying that gently until it's really golden. Then we add our suka, soy sauce, and a little bit of sugar, no? To the mix. Let that simmer. Papakuluin natin ng saglit yan habang ang ating ngoyong malapit ng maluto. Habang nagpiprito tayo dito, mag-subscribe na kayo. At kung may gusto kayong mga other recipes, please say so para masubukan natin. And this one is perfect pang salo-salo. So, ito, perfecto pang handaan. So, ito siya, usually blender. Pero social kasi ako, di ba? Meron akong immersion blender. And I will just blend it. Yan. So, you have to keep moving your ngoyong para it will cook evenly. And let that simmer pa. And, lalagyan natin ng cracked black pepper. Mix natin. Kung mahilig kayo sa hot sauce, you will love this. Kasi naging kasi blend pati yung seeds eh. Konti lang pang dinamnam. And this is done. And pour natin dito ang ating ngoyong. Actually, ang ganda niya. Let us break this. Let us see if ang ating ngoyong is perfect. Pasado ba? Yan. Ngoyong talaga siya. That is ngoyong for all of you. This is the aroma of ngoyong. And kutsara. Ganyan siya. Bago kumakain ka nito, ito yung style. So, kukuha ka ng yung ating suka base at kukuha ka ng sausawan number 2. Put it here. And you will combine. Ito siya. Titikman ko muna without the sauce. Kasi ito yung Test natin kung pasado yung ating ngoyong. Ito talaga, lasang authentic na ngoyong talaga. Lamig yung kayo, kini, the flavor of authentic, real Cebuano ngoyong. Look at that. Napakaganda. Ating recipe for today, Cebuano ngoyong and Cebuano ngoyong sauce. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.